Hey everybody and welcome to Technology and Toys, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the KS45 keyboard and mouse combo from Jellycomb. Now this, as the name suggests, it's a keyboard and a mouse, and they're both wireless. They use one unifying receiver that plugs into the USB port on the front or back of your computer. Now this is not a full-size keyboard, it doesn't have the number pad, and it is very reminiscent of the Magic keyboard that I have up here from Apple. Almost the exact same size, just a little different in design. So you have your full QWERTY layout. The keys are rounded, they're all concaved, the bottom ones are domed, and then the top ones are inverted. And this is a Windows keyboard mainly, so you have your Windows layout, Alt, Windows, Function, Control, and then with the Function button you can do Home with the left arrow, Page up and down with and down arrows respectively, and then End with the right arrow. And then the Function keys up top are, well, dual function, I guess. You click Function and then Escape, you can lock your computer. F1 is backtrack, F2 is play pause, F3 is skip forward, F4 is mute, F5 is volume down, F6 is volume up, F7 is launch your browser, F8 is search, F9 is email, F10 is files, F11 is insert, F12 is print screen. And up top you have three LEDs. You have one for caps lock, one for wireless connection, and then one for power. On the back, I guess, you have your power switch that turns red, and then when it's connected this will turn green, and then caps lock, when that's on, that will light up. On the bottom you have this little door. You peel back. This takes two AA batteries, and then we have our unifying receiver here. And then we'll take a quick look at the mouse. It is rather small. It is quiet. I do like that. Now, when I saw this, I got really excited with this scroll wheel. I thought it was going to be omnidirectional because it is more of a ball shape than most scroll wheels. That is not the case. It is only up and down like normal. You can't side swipe on it. Even that being said, I do like this more than most scroll wheels because it is larger. I don't know, it feels better in my hands. On the bottom of the mouse you have your power switch, you have your little battery door here. This takes one AA, and then you have another slot for your unifying receiver if you want to keep it in the keyboard or the mouse. Now one thing that they do include in the box is this little rubber keyboard protector. Put it over that and things won't get in underneath your keys. It makes it a lot mushier, and I personally don't like the feel of it. I tried using it for about a day. I just couldn't get behind it. The keys themselves are nice. I kind of like the rounded design. I kind of wish that the bottom row was the same as the rest of them and they dipped inwards instead of doming outwards. I've been using this for about a week with my gaming / Technology and Toys PC over here on the floor, hooked up to my TV. And I used to use another wireless keyboard from Jellycomb. It was a full keyboard, it had the number pad and all the other keys, and it just kind of got a little annoying. So when I used this, I had that extra bit of space, and the mouse is nice too. I'll have this link down below on Amazon. This is $33, so a little pricey, but it is a really nice keyboard, and I actually really like the mouse a lot more than I thought I would. I'm not a mouse person, I'm a trackpad kind of guy, so me saying that I like the mouse actually kind of carries a little bit of weight to it. Like I said, link down in the description. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys. Until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.